A 15-year-old boy charged with kidnapping a 7-year-old boy at gunpoint and holding him for ransom reaches a new deal with the prosecutors. Prosecutors are willing to amend the charges for Barry Coleman down to a robbery, but the judge said no way. 12 News' Nick Bohr joining us live at the courthouse here at 6. And Nick, prosecutors and defense lawyers found a deal the judge could accept.
Right, the two sides went back to work on a new deal that the judge would find acceptable, a balance between accepting responsibility for the 15-year-old and justice for the victim. The video shocked Milwaukee last summer, prompting an Amber Alert. A 7-year-old boy snatched out of his front yard by armed men at 61st and Eustis. The boy, Jamal White, spent 24 hours as a terrified captive before he was rescued by Milwaukee police. Detectives uncovered a robbery plot that morphed into a kidnapping.
State of Wisconsin versus Barry Coleman.
15-year-old Barry Coleman was charged with kidnapping, taking hostages, and firearms possession by a juvenile delinquent. Prosecutors say that's him in the video grabbing the boy and dragging him into a vehicle before driving off in a scheme to extort money from the boy's family. Chillingly, according to the criminal complaint, Coleman even, quote, debated physically harming the child so they could prove that they were serious. But despite those charges, the prosecutor offered to resolve it all short of a trial for a single charge of robbery, a deal the judge last week refused to swallow.
Jumping out of a car, grabbing a 7-year-old in his arms at gunpoint and throwing him in the back of a car? And I'm supposed to take straight robbery? Explain that to me.
Judge David Borowski sent the two sides back to the drawing board.
It is not in the interest of justice for me to accept this.
Today, they were back in court, having reached a sterner deal.
Both sides provided me with some additional information. If there's a revised or modified plea agreement, or that's my understanding, is that right, Mr. Olsztynski?
There's a revised plea agreement.
We'll cross that bridge when we get to it.
So, Nick, it sounds like they're not giving any specifics just yet.
Correct. I talked to the public defender representing Coleman as well as the district attorney after court today. They said they can't disclose the actual terms of the agreement yet because it has yet to be filed. Suffice it to say, though, it will be more stern than what was originally brokered in this case. That would have cut his potential exposure in prison from 90 years down to 10 years. We'll learn what they came up with when he's back in court in July.
All right, Nick Bohr reporting live from the Milwaukee County Courthouse. Nick, thank you.